Now start with second part, chapter 5, magnetism and matter, class 12th physics. First topic is potential energy of dipole in uniform magnetic field. In uniform magnetic field, potential energy is equals to the work done on the dipole. Work done on the dipole in rotating it from theta is equals to pi by 2 to theta 2 equals to theta. So u equals to w equals to mb cos pi by 2 minus cos theta. So u equals to minus mb cos theta, or we can say that minus m dot b vector. Now Gauss law. Gauss law is a surface integral of the magnetic field over any closed or open surface is always n. So closed surface b dot ds equals to 0. This law tells that the net magnetic flux through any surface is always 0. So net magnetic flux क्या होगा? 0. Now earth magnetism, all we know that earth is a huge magnet and it's divided into different parts. First part is magnetic declination, theta. In magnetic declination, this smaller angle subtended between smaller angle क्या हो, suspended होगा in magnetic मेरिडियन एंड जियोग्राफिक मेरिडियन, जियोग्राफिक मेरिडियन और मैग्नेटिक मेरिडियन के बीच में. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज हॉरिजॉन्टल कंपोनेंट ऑफ अर्थ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड H. इफ इंटेंसिटी ऑफ अर्थ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड देन हॉरिजॉन्टल कंपोनेंट ऑफ अर्थ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड H इक्वल्स टू B cos gamma. Here it acts south to north direction, and in vertical components we have V equals to B sin gamma. So B equals to under root H square plus V square, then tan gamma is equals to V by H. In magnetic meridian, vertical plane passing through the magnetic axis. For geographic meridian, vertical plane passing through the geographic meridian. Neutral point, neutral means like null, at which the resultant magnetic field of a bar magnet and horizontal component of the earth magnetic meridian is 0. null के क्या होगा? 0 हो जाएगा. Then north pole of the bar magnet is placed towards north pole of the earth. Then neutral point on the equatorial line B equals to mu naught upon 4 pi 2mr divided by r square plus l square whole square equals to H. Now deflection magnetometer. In deflection magnetometer, it's device like which used to determine M and H, working based on tangent law. It has two parts. First is tangent A setting. In tangent A setting, arms of the magnetic magnetometer are along east west direction. Direction क्या होगी? East west होगी, and magnets parallel to the arms. So in equilibrium, VAB equals to H tan theta mu naught upon 4 pi 2m divided by dq equals to H tan theta. Second is tangent B setting. Here arms of the magnetometer are along north south and magnet perpendicular to the arms. So here m upon dq equals to H tan theta. Experiment can be performed in two ways. First, deflection method. In deflection method, we have used only one magnet and deflection is observed. So ratio m1 upon m2 equals to tan theta 1 divided by tan theta 2. For second is null method. Both magnets are used at a time, and if magnets are at distance d1 and d2, m1 upon m2 equals to d1 by d2 power cube.